Well, and I always thought SEO should be more of an apprenticeship type of learning. I'm amazed at how many people will go through an SEO course and then all of a sudden, next thing I know, they're a freelancer. And I have to shake my head at that because what makes an SEO good is the exposure to multiple business objectives, multiple types of businesses, doing e-commerce, doing B2B, working in all of these areas because how you do the SEO will greatly depend on those areas, those businesses, those industries. And so apprenticeship is going to be the way you're going to learn that. But then there's the activity of SEO. And then as you and I know, there's the business of SEO on the other
Yeah,
side.
yeah, or as Google clarified in the past year, which is again one of the changes that we keep navigating, is they suddenly changed EAT, which we sort of understood as expertise and authoritativeness and trustworthiness